Hi, I'm Ritik Shrivastava, Solutions Architect at BrainChip, and we are worldwide leader in neuromorphic AI processing. We sell IPs and ICs and even solutions, and we help you to enable low-powered and low-latency AI on edge at extremely resource-constrained devices. Now, our technology is sensor agnostic. We can do AI on any sensor. It can be vision, audio, radar. This particular demo is our micro-doppler classification demo working with radar sensor. So this sensor basically is throwing radar signals and it's able to detect when the reflection comes. So based on the vibration pattern of this object, it classifies what kind of object it is. Now, radar in general is able to detect where the object is, but it's not exactly able to detect what the object is. And based on the pattern of its signal it receives, it does that. So here you see we have this bird flapping wings, and on this right-hand side you see the vibration pattern we get here. We are doing front-end signal processing, which is STFT, and then we classify that. Now, on the left side you see, based on bird flapping, it is able to classify that this is bird, but instead of bird, if I use here a fan, so you see here the vibration pattern also changes, and also it classifies this as a fan. Now, where this can be used in an application, so especially for drone, you would want to detect whether if it's a drone which is flying or if it's a bird, so that you can decide what action needs to be performed there. So for those kind of application, you can use our chip. Now, how the system looks like is we just have our 1500 card attached to this Raspberry Pi without any internet connection. All of that, like the sensor input is going into this Raspberry Pi, and the AI inference is happening on our 1500 chip at milliwatt power consumption. So this is like extremely low power solution which can help you to enable AI on radar and just any application. Now, for further information, please reach out to us on www.brainchip.com, and we'll be happy to talk with you and provide you more. Thank you very much.